Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be coming to you guys with a makeup and outfit get ready with me. Today is, what's today? January 3rd. I'm about to go to DC with my friends. Not sure if I'm going to vlog there or not yet, but I thought that I would just film a get ready with me because I haven't filmed one in a little while and I really like filming get ready with me for you guys. I think in this video I'm also going to be talking about like some of my goals for 2020 here and there. I don't want to talk too much because get ready with me's are usually pretty long for me, so I'm gonna try not to make this too long for you guys. Let's just get into the video. Me drinking some wine, a martini glass, but it's just the first one I could find for real. So yeah, I'm just gonna be drinking some Stella Peach today. I love Stella Peach. Really not good at multitasking when I'm doing my makeup, so we'll see. First of all, I want you guys to comment down below some of your goals for 2020. I would love to hear them. I want you guys to like say them out loud every day and manifest them for yourselves. Pray. My biggest goals for the year are to stay consistent on my channel. I don't know if you guys know this, but this is my 4th year on YouTube, 2020. I uploaded my first video on this channel in 2016. And of course, I don't feel like I'm where I want to be at the moment, but I've never been the type to like stress numbers and stuff like that. I always trust my process. I'm not gonna let any platform rush my process, you know? What's meant for me is always going to be for me, and that's the same mindset I want all of you guys to have. Like, please do not let social media or any platforms rush you or your process, because half the stuff you see is not real. I would love for my channel to grow. I'd say I would want at least, what you guys think? I don't know, whatever God sees fit for me to have by the end of the year. I feel like I could definitely exceed 10,000, but like 10,000 is like the minimum amount of subscribers I would like to have by the end of the year. And I also want you guys to make your goals specific, because that's one thing that I didn't used to do, is like put a number or like specify my goals, and I feel like that's kind of important, especially when it comes to manifestation and like prayers and stuff. Like, ask for exactly what you want, you know? So yeah, then another goal I have is to read at least one book, finish at least one book a month. And again, this is like bare minimum. If I finish more than one, that's even better, but I would say at least one book a month is my goal. I also want to get back in the gym. It's just really hard for me because I really like to wear wigs, because my hair just is at its best when I wear wigs. And wigs in the gym don't really mix, but I really want to get back in the gym. I feel so much better when I'm in the gym and I'm exercising and in shape and stuff. It's just hard when you spend a lot of time and money on your hair. Hopefully I can do that, or at least do like some at-home exercises every day and stay consistent with that till I graduate. Speaking of graduating, I graduate from A&T in May of 2020, you guys. So I'm super excited about that. The biggest accomplishment I'll have so far in life, you know? So never downplay like your accomplishments. Like, graduating from college is such a big thing. I know a lot of people are like, college isn't really that important, but to me, it is, because education is something nobody can ever take away from you, and knowledge is power. So I always wanted to get a degree, make myself and my mom and everybody happy. These past 4 years have been like the hardest years of my life, so I'm really blessed and glad to be graduating in May. And I really can't believe I did it. Like, I'm still in shock, but it's all by the grace of God. Another thing I want is my business to flourish. Like, I want my business profits to like quadruple this year. If you guys didn't know, I have a clothing brand called Luxe Apparel and Goods. I sell clothing, accessories, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, it's always in the description box down below. That's pretty much it. Of course, mind, body, and soul, I need that to be all in sync. Want to like start meditating and like, you know, taking care of my spirit and all that good stuff. Let me know what your goals are down below. Like I said, let me know what videos you guys want for 2020 as well. And I think that's it. So this video won't be super duper long. I'm gonna fast forward the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys in the outro.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
I used the Sephora lip gloss in Nude Attitude for my lips and the KKW Beauty 2.5 lip liner. But that concludes this get ready with me for the makeup portion, and I'll be back to show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to do this quick because my camera about to die. But basically I got this jacket from Forever 21. I just turned it inside out. I gotta cut this part off before I leave out, but I like it way better inside out. Like, it's fire inside out. But then I made this little top out of a wife beater so I took from my mom, and this is from Juicy Couture. And I got these little extendo sweatpants from Shop Diano, and I'm gonna wear this outfit with my Yeezys. Hopefully I can get some good pictures and I'll insert them for you guys so you guys can get like the whole, you know, head to toe. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and make sure your post notification bells are on, and I'll see you guys in my next one.